5 o'clock in the morning, and we are about to head out for the Delicate Arch hike. We're fixing up some breakfast here in our motel room. Amanda, you getting excited?
I'm getting ready. I'm not excited for how cold it's gonna be.
We just go in. We do.
Drone's prohibited.
All right, guys, we're in Arches National Park. Shout out to the girl on Instagram who told us to get in here before 7:30, save some money. Love that. I mean, it's a commitment, but
300 feet turn right.
oh, baby. So we're down here. We're gonna travel up all the way to here. We're gonna go down to, oh no, keep going. There. We're gonna go to spot 1. All right, Delicate Arch hike. Made it up to Delicate Arch. Hopefully you can see it back behind us over there. There's already a lot of people here, and it's 6 o'clock in the morning. Update on the shoes. So, turns out I have not worn these in a while. Look at that. That's a piece right there. It's a piece of my shoe. My shoe is literally falling apart. You're right. I should have gotten some while we were at REI.
They were on sale.
What tips do we have?
No, I'm trying to think. Don't wear as many layers.
Yeah. Well, if you're doing it in September, it's actually warmer than you think it is.
Don't have loose items. Someone lost their water bottle at the top of the arch.
Also, it's helpful if you follow these on the way up this morning. We did not, and we almost hiked up the wrong way.
And let's see here. I mean, I'd say go early.
Yeah, make sure you have good shoes. Else they're gonna end up like this guy right here. John, if you're watching this video, I feel a lot like you. Check this out. LL Bean, if you're watching this, I really like your stuff, so could you help me out here? I mean, look at this. What happened? Sad day. Amanda, what are we doing now?
Devil's Garden, which has maybe 6 arches.
Anywhere you wanna go, beyond the stars, out where the sun sets, we'll find the light, and we'll keep it our secret. Oh, anywhere you wanna go, down any road, anywhere you wanna go.
see what's up here.
I'll show you my world. Oh, world. Show you my world. Oh, world. Show you my world. Show you the world, darling. Let's leave it all behind.
Devil's Garden, that was awesome. What's your favorite arch so far?
Ooh, I think the double O.
Double O's your favorite?
Oh, so far or this part?
So far.
Oh, no, it's gonna have to be the delicate arch.
Delicate arch is easily our favorite. It was awesome. Ooh. Are you tired? Not a bad napping spot. Broken Arch. Broken Arch is a little underrated, but it is awesome. There was like no one there.
Yeah, one of my favorites for sure.
It's like really open. You can go stand up there. Amanda took a nap. We recommend it. I mean, there's definitely some better looking ones. Delicate's kind of the coolest, but
It was so big.
that one was nice with no one under there. It was huge.
That's cool.
We would recommend Broken Arch. It's not actually broken, by the way.
Almost.
It's a complete arch, and there's just like a crack in the middle. We saw a guy try to go up and stand on it, which you're not supposed to do. Don't do that if you come out here. Finger rock.
Finger and
Well, be careful when you come to Double Arch. Just try to climb this, and that happened. Oh man. So somehow the video still works on this camera that I just smashed. Alright, last hike of the day. I don't have my microphone because it busted when I dropped my camera, but hopefully you can hear this. We are going to see Delicate Arch, which is where we were at sunrise.
but the
We're
viewpoint.
at the viewpoint. We're going to go see sunset.